Hello everyone, this is HellBuddy. After you finish installing and configuring the Homebrew HTTPD Apache server, but when you try to access in the PHP page, it's all blank. Nothing will be displayed. If you want to learn how to fix it, please keep watching this video. In this tutorial, you will learn how to install the newest version of PHP via Homebrew, configure the server file, and enable the PHP. So let's get started. Until then, please subscribe to my HellBuddy channel and click the bell button to select all to get my all update notifications. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share. You can leave a message in the comment area if you have any questions. If you'd like to support HellBuddy in making more videos, welcome to buy me a coffee. Please check the link is posted in the description below. Before solving this problem, we need to upgrade the latest version of PHP. In the terminal, type PHP, leave a space, hyphen, lowercase v, and hit enter to check your current PHP version on your Mac. You can see the warning message in my Mac OS about this pre-installed PHP version 7.3.29. The old version of PHP will be final and Apple will not support it or even remove it during future licensing. All you need to do, install the PHP via Homebrew. If your hardware version is High Sierra or earlier, in addition to Homebrew, you can also use lib to install PHP version 7.3 or earlier. See my other tutorial. You definitely need to have Homebrew and HTTPD server installed before you have Brew PHP. Once you have finished HTTPD configure, go to the Homebrew PHP family page. The current version here is 8.0 as you watch my video. It will be higher in the future. Also, you need to check the requirements for compatibility with your hardware. Scroll down and you will see a note here that we will use later. Back to the terminal. Type which, leave a space, brew, hit enter. You can see where your brew is installed. You can look in your finder. Then type brew, space, search, space, PHP, and plus enter. You will see PHP-related formulas and versions available on Brew. For server configuration, type HTTPD with space, hyphen capital V and plus enter. It will output your current HTTPD Apache server information. On the last line, server config file. Copy the path to access the httpd.com file. You can use cat, leave a space, then paste the path and hit enter. First, read the file safely. You may see that there is no PHP module. Clear the command to start a new line in terminal. Before installing PHP, you need to update all packages in Brew. Type brew, space, update, and hit enter. A Brew shows a note. You may need to upgrade. Then you can start installing PHP. Check the copy installation link and paste it. Hit enter. When you check the seller directory, you can see that PHP 8.0 is installing there. Once the installation is completed, you can see the instructions which we need to follow to complete the procedure. Open a new terminal. Re-enter httpd-V, hit enter. Then type sudo, make a space. I'm gonna use via editor to access the file. You can use yours. Then leave a space and recopy the server config file path again. Paste the path, hit enter. Enter your Mac user password and press enter again. Scroll to the end of the load module section. Copy these few lines and paste there to enable PHP in Apache. Then scroll down to search for the line directory index. Add the index file with the PHP extension is the first priority. By the way, you must know where your PHP ini file is installed. You can view it on Finder or use the command. Type ls, leave a space, copy the URL, and paste it, and hit enter. You can see the file there. We don't need access to the ini file for this moment. Just go directly to the next step. Copy and paste this line to start PHP with Brew services. Press enter. Then you also need to start your HTTPD Apache server. It doesn't respond because the server is up. So we need to use restart to reload the server instead of start. Now it outputs a success message. Go back and refresh the web browser. Log into the PHP info page again. The content loads. You can see my updated PHP version here. Go back to the terminal. Type PHP, make a space, -lowercase v, plus enter. You can see my PHP is still showing the older versions from Mac OS. When I use Brew, make a space, search, space, PHP, plus enter. The green check shows that PHP is installed. You can check your Finder if it's there. However, it doesn't show it correctly here. We need to connect it to the latest version, so we can use the command to check it later. Do this on command. Type ls, make a space, -a, to see all hidden files in your user directory, plus enter. There I have two files, .bash_profile and .zshrc, one for bash scripts and one for Z-shell. I will do both to show how to do because we need to access to those files. Then type sudo space v space tilde / to indicating the user directory, .zshrc, hit enter. Insert your Mac user password and press enter again. I'm gonna put a line of code here, and I want to echo this line so you can see it later on the terminal. Make a space, open single quote, export, space, path equals to open double quotes to this path. This path connects to the latest PHP installation location in the bin directory. Semicolon, a $sign path, close double quote and single quote. By the way, copy this path for later use. Then press Shift-Z 2 times to save file and exit. Do the same for bash. Paste this line into it. Then save the file and exit. Open a new terminal and you can see the export path and the latest installed PHP version. Reload the PHP version. And now you can see the version updated. If you don't want the export path to be echoed in the command, go back to the access the file. Remove the echo, open and close single quotes. Open another new terminal, and the echo line disappears. Then check the PHP version again. And this shows the correct PHP version. If you want more tutorials, subscribe to my HellBuddy channel and click the bell button to select all to get my all update notifications. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share. Welcome to buy me a cup of coffee and support HellBuddy to make more videos or visit HellBuddy website. Thanks for watching.